How the immune system works. A detailed explanation. The immune system is an incredibly complex network of cells, tissues, and organs that work together to defend the body against harmful invaders like bacteria, viruses, fungi, and parasites, as well as against abnormal cells like cancer. Here's a comprehensive breakdown of how this remarkable system functions. 1. Overview of immune system components. The immune system consists of two main branches. A. Innate nonspecific immunity, first line of defense, rapid response minutes to hours. No memory of past infections, includes physical barriers, skin, mucous membranes, chemical barriers, stomach acid, enzymes in tears, saliva, immune cells, neutrophils, macrophages, natural killer cells, proteins, complement system, cytokines. B. Adaptive specific immunity, slower response days to develop, highly specific to particular pathogens, has memory, remembers past infections, includes B cells produce antibodies, T cells, helper and cytotoxic antigen-presenting cells, dendritic cells. Macrophages 2. The immune response step-by-step. Step 1. Barrier defenses, innate immunity, skin, physical barrier with antimicrobial proteins. Mucous membranes, trap pathogens in respiratory, digestive, and urogenital tract, cilia, hair-like structures that sweep mucus and trapped pathogens out of airways, chemical defenses. Stomach acid, lysozyme in tears, antimicrobial peptides. Step 2. Recognition of pathogens, innate response, when pathogens breach physical barriers. Pattern recognition, receptors, PRRS on immune cells detect pathogen-associated molecular patterns, PAMPs, common microbial structures like bacterial LPS or viral RNA. Dendritic cells and macrophages engulf pathogens through phagocytosis. Step 3. Inflammatory response. Infected cells release alarmins like histamine, causing vasodilation, increased blood flow. Increased vascular permeability allows immune cells to exit blood vessels. Recruitment of neutrophils and other immune cells' complement system plasma proteins is activated, leading to pathogen lysis, membrane attack, complex opsonization, tagging pathogens for phagocytosis, inflammation enhancement. Step 4. Activation of adaptive immunity, if needed, if innate immunity can't clear the infection. Dendritic cells migrate to lymph nodes, presenting pathogen fragments, antigens to T cells. T cell activation. Helper T cells CD for plus recognize antigens via MHC to molecules. Cytotoxic T cells CD8 plus recognize infected cells via MHC-I molecules. B cell activation. B cells with matching receptors bind antigens. Helper T cells stimulate B cells to proliferate and differentiate into plasma cells, antibody factories, memory B cells, long-term immunity. Step 5. Antibody-mediated response, humoral immunity, antibodies, immunoglobulins, bind to pathogens, leading to neutralization, blocking pathogen entry into cells, opsonization, enhancing phagocytosis, complement activation, agglutination, clumping pathogens together. Step 6. Cell-mediated response, cellular immunity. Cytotoxic T cells, CD8 plus, kill virus-infected or cancerous cells by releasing perforin, creates pores in target cells, releasing granzymes, induce apoptosis, natural killer NK cells, destroy abnormal cells lacking MHC-I molecules. Step 7. Resolution and memory after infection is cleared. Most effector cells die apoptosis. Memory B and T cells remain, providing faster and stronger response upon re-exposure. 3. Key immune cells and their function, cell type function, neutrophils, rapid responders. Phagocytose, bacteria, macrophages, phagocytosis. Antigen presentation, dendritic cells, bridginate and adaptive immunity. Antigen presentation, natural killer, NK cells kill virus infected, cancer cells, B cells produce antibodies. Helper T cells, CD for plus coordinate immune response cytotoxic T cells, CD8 plus heal infected cells for immunological memory primary response. First exposure to antigen, approximately 7 to 10 days to develop immunity. Secondary response, upon re-exposure, memory cells mount a faster, stronger response basis of vaccination. 5. Immune regulation and tolerance regulatory T cells Tregs prevent excessive immune reactions. Central tolerance in thymus. Bone marrow eliminates self-reactive lymphocytes. Peripheral tolerance prevents autoimmunity in tissues. 6. When the immune system fails, immunodeficiency, for example, HIV or AIDS, SCID autoimmunity, for example, type 1 diabetes, lupus, hypersensitivity, allergies, anaphylaxis. The immune system is a highly coordinated defense network that protects the body while maintaining balance to avoid attacking its own tissues. Its ability to adapt and remember past infections makes it one of the most sophisticated biological systems.